Sounds of animals. Did you know animals also talk to each other like you and your friends? Different animals make different sounds. Let's hear various sounds that animals make. Chirp. Roar. Trumpet. Meow. Croak.